welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brazleni, and subscribe if you like this video. If you don't like this video, just subscribe. Just help a homegirl. My goal is to get to 700 subscribers, and I'm one subscriber away, so if you could be that one subscriber, you'll make me really happy. So let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be it's the holiday season and whatever. My mom already decorated the house for Christmas. It's super cute. She's the best. I want to decorate my room for Christmas and make it all cute and festive and Christmassy and red and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to clean. Well, the first step is to clean my room. It's somewhat clean, and I got some stuff at TJ Maxx to help me decorate it, and it came out $55 for the stuff that I got, and it's kind of a little expensive, but it's not that bad. I accidentally stole a toy that I bought for my dog. It was only $2. Sorry, TJ Maxx. Don't send me to jail. Alright, yeah, let's get started. Oh, and I got this red sweater from TJ Maxx. It was $16.99, and yeah, it's really warm actually. So the first thing I want to start off with is cleaning this section of my room, and it's just a mess there. And I also have my my AC that's there. Let me move my this is for my Sweet 16. I also have my AC here, and I just really want to take it off because it just makes everything so much colder in my room, and it's cold in New York City, so let's try to take that out. I'm gonna ask my cousin if he could help me, but right now I'm just gonna take away everything and try to organize it first. Oh my gosh, I paid $50 for this thing, and I have not used it since I went to Warner Brothers Studio. So it's literally a thing of me like flying as in Harry Potter. I'm gonna insert the clip right now because it's never gonna see the daylight anyway. I'm really scared of this accidentally dropping onto the ground. I live on the second floor, but like my window is facing towards the basement, so there's no one there. But like, not the basement, it's like where people throw away the trash. Oh, I don't know, whatever. You live in an apartment building, you got it, but I just don't want it to fall. Like, that's so scary. Agua.
¿Qué es esa vaina?
Sorry.
¿Y por qué tú estás tirando agua?
That was a fair. Water was dripping everywhere, so I gotta clean this up. Okay, so I cleaned up the mess that just happened by taking that off, and I put back all the stuff that was already there, and now I'm just gonna make this part a little cleaner, I guess, or better looking. There, like you can't really see what's behind there, but like, so maybe I should like move it out of the way. Like, maybe the stuff I want to show, just like put in front of the curtains, like that. And boom. Cute. So now that that part is done, I'm gonna make my bed. I made my bed, and I was like, what's the point of making my bed if I'm gonna undo it and put new blankets and Christmas stuff on it? But it's whatever. So I'm gonna film a TikTok right now, and like it's gonna be like a cute little TikTok for TikTok, and then I'm gonna start decorating it. But this is what it looks like right now with my bed, and that's my thingy, my vanity, the part I just cleaned, and this part, and those are the Christmas decorations that I'm going to be putting up. So I'm going to film the TikTok now, and I'll be right back. I'll also post a TikTok here at the end of the video, so keep watching to see the TikTok. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna first start off with the bed. So these are the stuff I got from TK Maxx, and it's this really cute Christmas pillow, and it has the regular Christmas plaid on the back, and it has jingle bells on the end. And then I got this wrapping paper because I have this cute little Christmas tree and I want to use this wrapping paper. It's rose gold, and it's like a moose and not a moose, a reindeer and Christmas and everything on it. And then I got this stuff too. So I didn't buy that much stuff, but I still have other Christmas decorations around my house, so let's do this. Another thing I want to add is that my mom got me already like blankets to change, which is just a regular white one, which I'm very scared of, because if I fall asleep with my makeup on, my life is over. Also, I want to add, you should never fall asleep with your makeup on. Don't do it. I did it once, but that was because I was watching a movie and I fell asleep in the living room, and then I woke up and I was like, I still have eyelashes on. Now, it's time to bring out the Christmas tree. So it is kind of squished because it's been in my closet for the whole year, waiting for its time to come out, and it's finally out. So I bought this in the 99-cent store, and it was so cute. It came with its own. No, did it come with its own little lights? No, it didn't come with its own little lights. I put the own little lights, but I saw it and I was like, this is the cutest. And then I bought the ornaments, and I was like, yes. This is gonna be my Christmas tree, and I've had it since 8th grade because I was the class president. So I brought my class like a Christmas tree for the Christmas party, and it's been with me since 8th grade, and I'm in college now, a sophomore in college. So this Christmas tree is a real one, so let's put her up. I think I found the perfect spot for the Christmas tree. I'm gonna put it right there on top of the vinyl recorder. Perfect. I don't know if you can see me well, but now that my Christmas tree is done. So this was against my vinyl player, so I'm just gonna put it up here. This was my nephew, he's so cute. He was like, this is like my 1 million subscriber plaque, so he drew it for me. It was so cute. Let's hope that stays, because it's only up with tape and it's not gonna stay, is it? I think I need more tape. This plant, I honestly don't know where I'm gonna put it. I really don't know. I got the sweater I'm wearing right now. It came with this on it as like a tag, and it says "Naughty or Nice." I just think I'm just gonna hang it up because it's really cute.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the rein.
Add the little plant to my vanity. So this is the plant, and it's just gonna go right there, and it's cute, it's little, and it's festive. I also have this Christmas candle that I got like a while ago, even before Christmas started, so it hasn't even started yet, but I'm gonna take out my fall one, my pumpkin honeycomb, it smells so good, and put in the twisted peppermint from Bath and Body Works. There we go. Then I could light it up later. So now I have these little twinkle lights, and I'm just gonna put them around along my bed.
Here comes Santa Claus, here.
Okay, so honestly, I think I'm done for decorating for the holidays. Now I just gotta like put on the vibe of the room, and then you'll see the difference. Okay, so this is my room with the lights off, so you can see like the red. I have like a little red light bulb, but I'm gonna turn the lights on so you can see how it looks. Plus the lights look really cute, and then I also have these lights with pictures on it that I got from Dormify, but this is it with the lights on. Okay, so here's an entire overview of the room. So this is the bed, and on the bed we have the pillow, the little toy for my dog Alaska, and yeah, Christmas lights, and then that light, and then that's just whatever for my room. And then over here we have the desk with the candle and the little cute tree thingy. And then over here we have our cute little Christmas tree. Woohoo! Here I have the red light, but you can't really see it because the ring light is on. But yeah. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, and also if you start decorating your room, I would love to see it and how it looks. So DM me a picture on Instagram. My Instagram is @bris.lenny. I'll put it right here. And yeah, see you in the next video.
Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He doesn't care if you're rich or poor, he loves you.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.